Nakapagtanim ka na ba ng agarwood? Malapit ka na bang mag-inoculation at naghahanap ng credible at effective na inoculant? Ano nga ba ang inoculation? Isa ito sa pinakamahalagang proseso sa pagtatanim ng agarwood. 3 to 4 years from now is yung inoculation. Ang tanong ng lahat, saan ba tayo makakabili? Ngayon ipapakilala natin sa inyo ang isang brand na emerging dito sa Pilipinas, yung Agar Prime. Ini-inject sa katawan ng puno para makapag-produce ng high-value agarwood chips o resin.
The technology of PM Gaharu is using the two techniques. One is direct infusion and the other is direct injection. Direct infusion method, ito yung technique na ang kahoy magpuproduce ng agarwood from the center, yung sa heartwood ng Aquilaria tree. Tapos there's also the direct injection, which is hindi siya pumupunta sa gitna or sa heartwood. Going outside yung infection. Yung direct injection is from the outside going to the inside. So yun ang magpapakapal ng agarwood.
Ngayong episode, makikilala natin si Eugene Ibanez, ang founder CEO ng Agar Prime.
My name is Eugene Ibanez. I'm the founder and president of Agar Prime. The company Agar Prime was founded this 2025, and we are basically an inoculation provider for agarwood.
Papaano nga ba makakabili ng kanilang inoculant? Kailangan mo lang namang umattend ng kanilang training para matutunan kung paano itong gamitin. Pagkatapos ng iyong training, maaari ka nang makabili ng kanilang inoculant.
We provide the inoculant, and then before you can use our inoculant, you have to undergo training. Because if you don't have the proper training to use the inoculant, the tree might die due to overdose. So the result of your inoculation is very much dependent on your knowledge on how to inoculate the tree. Trainings is also one of our services provided in Agar Prime.
I think the training is very reasonable. No? Kailangan yung matutunan muna bago nyo gamitin. Of course, pangangalagaan nila ang kanilang branding. Kung kayo ay hindi nag-attend ng training at nagkaroon ng problema yung puno, ayaw naman nila na sila ang masisi dahil mali po ang yung taong gumamit. Hindi mo na kailangang mag-sign up sa isang investment scheme o program para lang makabili o magkaroon ng access sa inoculation technology. Marami tayong mga viewers na ganyan na gusto muna mag-trials. 5 puno lang daw muna sa gilid bahay, and then they can do the tryouts, and then when they see some results, gusto nila na mag-expand. Meron silang access.
Yes.
So they can just buy the bottle.
Yes.
Sa episode na ito, maa-unlock natin ang kaalaman patungkol sa inoculation technology at magkakaroon na rin kayo ng access makabili ng inoculant nang walang pressure na maglabas ng malaking kapital para lang magkaroon ng access sa technology ng pag-a-agarwood farming.
Dati, yung naririnig ko lang is yung bang mga sabi-sabi lang. Pero ngayon, nakikita ko at saka na-actual ko rin na kung paano mag-inoculate ng isang puno ng agarwood.
Napaka-practical nung demonstration na nabibigay sa atin, and you can ask during the demonstration, nasasagot na mapaliwanag ano yung mga science behind. Ito lang yung nakita ko na goods for us, because sabi nga ni Sir PM Gaharu is ang ginagamit natin is a organic types.
Agarwood Farming, Agri sa Agri!
Ang Agar Prime, ang gusto talaga namin, ang direction ng Agar Prime is to give access sa mga farmers. Kahit may, yung sabi mo nga, 10 puno, or if you have 1,000 trees, we can give you the inoculant na walang
Pressure.
Grabe yung learning. Kasi syempre, like us na parang dreaming pa lang. I started planting the agarwood 3 years ago or 4 years ago. Tapos ngayon nakita natin na actual paggamit ng Agar Prime in the tree talaga maganda. There's hope in this industry pala.
I am Mozart Mansueto, all the way from Cebu. I am looking forward to have a great journey ahead in the near future for the agarwood.
Cristobal Pama from Legazpi City. I can apply this sa mga trees ko.
Pakinggan natin ang kanilang pagbabahagi kasama ang kanyang special guest mentor na nagmula pa sa Malaysia, si PM Gaharu.
I am one of the mentors for Aga Prime, and I'm thankful to that. I do not do any business in the Philippines. But whoever wants to learn, they invite me. I will just come over and I will share my experiences with them. And Aga Prime is one of them. Aga Prime is rebranded from Proven One International, which is meant for New Guinea. Everything is the same as our original Proven One or RAL 171. Whatever you use, technique or method that you use in Aga Prime is the same that we use in Proven One worldwide. Aga wood farming agrees to agree.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Welcome back po sa Agri ngayong episode. Dumayo naman tayo sa Ormoc at syempre isa na namang community ng mga nag-a-agar wood. Kikilalanin natin dito sa kanilang bayan, kasama natin si Sir Eugene Ibanez.
Magandang umaga po.
Magandang umaga sir, thank you for inviting po ang Agri. Si Sir Eugene po is a founder, CEO of Agar Prime. Pag-usapan naman natin ang usaping inokulant. Yan ay isang napaka-importanting susi. Kung kayo ay namumblema sa pagbili ng seedlings, napakilala na natin dito sa Agri ang mga credible suppliers ng mga seedlings natin na may paperwork at hindi kayo mahirapan. Ang susunod naman yan, 3 to 4 years from now is yung inoculation. Ang tanong ng lahat, saan ba tayo makakabili? Ngayon ipapakilala natin sa inyo ang isang brand na emerging dito sa Pilipinas, yung Agar Prime. Paano ba nagsimula? Si Sir Eugene, isang dating IT programmer, ngayon naman ay iba't ibang negosyo ang pinasok, kasama na ang Agar Wood. So ngayon may sarili na ring inoculant.
My name is Eugene Ibanez. I'm the founder and president of Agar Prime. The company Agar Prime was founded this 2025, and we are basically an inoculation provider for Agar Wood. We are basing our business model with PM Gaharu's model. Our main product is the inoculant. Basically, Agar Prime, we are here to cater for the needs of the planters in the Philippines. It's in the word agar. It produces agar, and it's a premium inoculant. That's why it's prime. So we are based on PM Gaharu's technology. It produces a very good and very high quality agar wood. So that's why it's called Agar Prime.
That means if at 12 inches diameter, the circumference will be about 37 inches.
So Agar Prime, your brand is for the Philippines and you're also distributing it to other countries.
Yes.
As Agar Prime na rin.
No. It's Proven One International.
Yung
Dun
name.
sa, yung name.
And then for Philippines, is rebranded to become Agar Prime.
Yes.
Yeah, so it's being used and tested na rin for how many years nagagamit?
Yung technology ni PM Gaharu is almost 20 years na ginagamit niya.
Nice.
And he's been selling a lot of products na galing sa agar wood. So mayroon siyang maraming downstream products. Na sabon, tea, oil, marami pang iba.
And yun yung result ng inoculant nila or inoculation technology.
The technology of PM Gaharu is using the two techniques. One is direct infusion and the other is direct injection. Direct infusion method. Ito yung technique na ang kahoy magpuproduce ng agar wood from the center, yung sa heartwood ng Aquilaria tree, to create a wall para makontain niya yung invasion sa kanya, yung inoculant. Tapos there's also the direct injection, which is hindi siya pumupunta sa gitna or sa heartwood. Parang magsasalubong yung dalawa, yung direct infusion going outside yung yung infection. Yung direct injection is from the outside going to the inside. So yun ang magpapakapal ng ng agar wood.
So long as you put 150 ml in, you can use any kind of media. The hose is just one of them. The important thing is how much inoculum you put inside. Make sure there's no spillage at the end. Okay?
These are all bio-organic, yung raw materials natin. Readily available sa area ng operation natin. Hindi tayo nahihirapan. It's 100% organic. Yung pinakita ni PM Gaharu sa Malaysia, ininom niya yung inoculant, meaning safe siya. Pero I don't recommend drinking it.
PM Agaharo just recently came here for a training
Yes.
with your community, and a demonstration din ng inoculation.
Yes.
And so kayo na ang nag-adapt and was able to license the distribution dito sa Pilipinas.
It's a rebranded technology, proven one international sa Papua New Guinea. Yun ang market namin. And then we bring it to the Philippines para as rebranded.
Put inoculum into the hardwood. What happens, once you put inside into the hardwood, after about 6 months, what will happen is hardwood decay or hardwood rot. My name is Magat Muhammad Yusof, or better known as PM Gaharu in Malaysia. I am an ex-army officer who retired in 1983, and I joined from Malaysia, and I joined the Agawood venture or Agawood agripreneurship in the year 2009. Now it's been 16 years in this industry. I'm here today to share with everybody my 16 years of experiences. I ran 5 plantations in Malaysia, a totaling of 16,000 trees. My trees are now between 15 and 16 years old, and we have already started processing or harvesting our trees since the year 2017. AgaPrime is not my partner. I am one of the mentors for AgaPrime, and I'm thankful to that. I do not do any business in the Philippines. But whoever wants to learn, they invite me. I will just come over and I will share my experiences with them. And AgaPrime is one of them. AgaPrime is rebranded from Proven One International, which is meant for New Guinea. Everything is the same as our original Proven One or RAL 171. Whatever you use, technique or method that you use in AgaPrime is the same that we use in Proven One worldwide. Because it will decay and you just drop. You put underneath the branch so that the inoculum will go right up to the twigs. You can use bottle, you can use anything as long as it is 150 ml. And minimum is 120. Why we use the hose is because in some areas there are a lot of monkeys. And if you use bottles this afternoon, the monkeys will take out the bottle, drink the inoculum and throw it all over the place. When we use hose, by bringing us over, AgaPrime is now part of my Agawood family. I treat all my friends here as my family, my sons, my daughters, granddaughters, and thank you AgaPrime, thank you for taking me here, taking us here. My sons too enjoyed the trip very, very much. Okay. You see all these roots, There are many methods actually. It all depends on the media you use, accessories. Most of the methods are infusion. For example, some people they infuse inoculum into the cambium only, into the sapwood, without hurting the xylem. Some people they infuse into the xylem only, inoculating the tree around. But in our case, after so many, we have tried the bamboo stick method. I have tried small hoses with brass nipples. I've tried small pointed bottles, eye drop bottles. Finally, I settled for 2. That is infusion using the hose joint and hoses. And also direct induce using either the ChemJet tree injector, which I strongly recommend, or direct induce using the drill bits, drill and straight put. That will save a lot of cost. But I still advocate, if you have the funds, go for the ChemJet tree injector. You can get that from Australia or you can get it from China, because you can control the amount of inoculum going into the tree, 10 ml, 15 ml or 20 ml. 2 best ones as I see today is infusion into the xylem, and also that infusion into the cambium, which we call direct induce. That means we induce directly. And then the number of holes, that one I cannot say because some people like to put in a lot of holes. Some people just put very scanty holes, but all depends on your manpower. If you have the manpower to start carving about from 3,000 holes, go ahead. But in our case, no, we have limited manpower, so we like big pieces. After all, big pieces or small pieces, when it comes to burning, you still have to break it up. So when we produce big pieces, maybe 1 kilo or half kilo pieces, break it up and then you got small pieces. Yeah. The bigger the xylem, the less agawood in the cambium. The smaller the xylem, the more agawood in the cambium. But one thing is for sure, you have agawood all around.
And ngayon dito sa Pilipinas, it's gonna be available for everyone. Paano po ba sila makakabili? Pwede bang bumili kahit hindi kayo member ng inyong partnership program? Like for example, a backyard farmer na may 10 puno, pwede ba silang makabili nito without joining any pressure of buying into the program?
Ang Agar Prime, ang gusto talaga namin, ang direction ng Agar Prime is to give access sa mga farmers. Kahit may, yung sabi mo nga, 10 puno or if you have 1,000 trees, we can give you the inoculant na walang
Pressure. Marami tayong mga viewers na ganyan na gusto muna mag-trials. 5 puno lang daw muna sa gilid bahay. And then they can do the tryouts, and then when they see some results, gusto nila na mag-expand. Meron silang access.
Yes.
So they can just buy the bottle.
Yes. Ang ano lang namin, sir, requirement namin, dapat dumaan ka sa training
Okay.
para maiwasan natin na yung costly mistakes ba. Na baka pag tinurok mo, after 1 year, namatay yung kahoy dahil na overdose. So yung mga ganun.
Tapos kayo sisisihin.
Tapos kami sisisihin. So yun ang ina-avoid natin.
Okay.
We provide the inoculant, and then before you can use our inoculant, you have to undergo training. Because if you don't have the proper training to use the inoculant, the tree might die due to overdose. So the result of your inoculation is very much dependent on your knowledge on how to inoculate the tree. Trainings is also one of our services provided in Agar Prime. Yes.
I think the training is very reasonable. No? Kailangan yung matutunan muna bago nyo gamitin. Of course, pangangalagaan nila ang kanilang branding. Kung kayo ay hindi nag-attend ng training at nagkaroon ng problema yung puno, ayaw naman nila na sila ang masisi dahil mali po yung taong gumamit ang may mali. Huwag na po natin pagtampuhan dahil para sa inyo. Kung first time po kayong gagamit or susubok, they will just require you to attend the training because they want you to make the most of it. Na tama ang application ninyo, tama yung proseso, sila na rin ang magtuturo.
Saka tinitingnan natin yung budget ng mga farmers kasi maliliit. Kailangan din nating tulungan.
Napaka-importante po nito sa mga hindi kayang mag-expand or walang malawak na lupa. Uulitin po natin sa gustong pumasok ng Agar Wood Farming, kailangan po ang inyong lupa na tataniman ay clean title po.
Yes.
Napaka-importante po niyan. So bukod po doon sa permits and registration ng inyong credible supplier ng seedlings, pag nabili nyo po yan sa kanila, it doesn't mean credible or registered po ang ating plant nursery. Pag inuwi nyo at itaninim nyo sa lupa, it doesn't mean na legal na po yun. Ang pinakang susunod na step po niyan, yung lupa na pagtataniman nyo, kailangan ayusin nyo po muna ang paperworks niyan. Kung yan naman po ay for lease at yan ay inyong inuupahan, kailangan po magkaroon kayo ng kasulatan na ang may-ari ng lupa, yun po ay dapat clean title din. Hindi pwedeng tax declared, hindi po pwedeng yan ay basta may papel lang ng registration lang. Kailangan po clean title pa rin. If hindi nyo po yan magagawa, yan po ay will be considered as pagmamay-ari na ng government natin. Yan, so napaka-importante pong detalye po yon. So once you have that piece of land, kung inyong backyard maluwag at clean title naman, magtanim na po kayo at nandito. Kahit na 10 bote, 5 bote, at ready na ang inyong 10 puno for inoculation. So ang kailangan lang po natin is, ang requirement is, lalong-lalo na lahat tayo ay baguhan sa larangan na ito. They make sure, Agar Prime will make sure that you learn the technology with training and hands-on training para lang you will be able to make the most of the results. Napakagandang balita po ito, dahil meron tayong inoculant na available in the market, fresh na press. Sa iba po kasi you need to sign up for the program, investment program, to be able to have access to this inoculant.
Or pwedeng lagari.
Next episode natin, pupunta po tayo sa isang farm. Meron na daw silang ready na ipakita. Bubuksan po natin. Kayasin natin ng isang, magsasacrifice kami ng puno. Just to show sa inyo na meron na po silang mga trials using Agar Prime, ang kanilang brand na maging inoculant, and makikita natin yung results. And it's very exciting. Gusto ko rin pong makita. Abangan nyo po yan. It's great news for everyone. Very proud dito to announce at Agree sa Agri na meron po tayong bagong kakampi, new player, maybe the first in the Philippines. Make it available for everyone nang wala masyadong pressure to sign up for different programs and stuff. And then of course, it will be accessible for everyone all over the Philippines. I-message nyo lang din po kami sa Agree sa Agri or go to their page. Ano pong page nyo, sir?
Sa Facebook, mayroon tayong Agar Prime page. Search nyo lang yung Agar Prime, lalabas na doon yung link natin.
Ayan, napakadaling tandaan. Agar Prime, very strong name, madaling tandaan, maikli pero straightforward. Agar Prime Inoculant. And sir, yung ating inoculant na result, gaano kalaki na pa yung puno natin na pupuntahan?
Yung puno is around 5 years old.
5 years
so
old.
mga ganito na kalaki yung mga puno. Nag-inoculate kami 2 months ago. So after 2 months, yun ang titingnan natin, makikita natin doon yung reaction na ng kahoy.
Wow. So in 2 months, meron na tayong makikita.
Yes, makikita natin yung reaction. Hindi pa siya agarwood kasi agarwood yung harvest natin is 27 months.
Yes.
Eventually, yun na yun.
Yeah, so pero at least meron ng formation. So
Yes.
kasi yung ating yung trunk, pag wala pong kumbaga manifestation ng kanilang defense mechanism, kulay puti po yung trunk niyan.
Yes.
Pag binuksan nyo, kung magkakaroon na ng konting brownish,
Or itim.
nagda-dark na, yan na po yung formation ng ating resin. So it's very early to do that, but at least they are willing to show. Maybe we will have a follow-up episode maybe after 1 year.
Yes.
Babalik po ang inyong lingkod dito sa Ormoc, or maybe there will be more episodes para ipakita sa inyo yung mga follow-up results natin using their inoculant. And again po, we are open. Ang ating programa po, Agri sa Agri, we are not biased. Nakikita nyo, we have featured UAPI, Dentotronics of our good, very dear friend na rin si Doc M. And now ngayon naman, Agar Prime, and then their community is
PASI.
PASI is
Yes.
Philippine.
Agarwood Solutions Inc.
Ayan. So dumadami na po yung mga communities, organizations, or companies na going to this venture, and it's very exciting kasi it's a validation for everyone na skeptical pa sa industry na ito. Nakikita na natin unti-unti nang lumalabas yung mga companies, ipinapakilala natin dito sa Agri sa Agri. Tulong-tulong po tayo mga kababayan. Emerging industry, ibig sabihin fresh na fresh po ang market. Katulad po ng mga ibang industry like sa ulang, sa crayfish. Huwag po tayong mag-away-away. Huwag po tayong magbangayan na thinking na kayo lang ang pwedeng kumita or kami lang ang pwedeng kumita. We encourage everyone na pare-pareho tayo mga Pilipino. Maybe iba't iba yung ating pinanggalingan na probinsya at mga ibang dialects, but still one blood, we are Filipinos. Let's help each other. Yan lang po ang aking mensahe para sa ating mga kababayan na let's help this industry grow, na matawag talaga nating agarwood industry in the Philippines. Who knows, maybe is the next big thing of Southeast Asia, ang agarwood Philippines. Ang produktong Pilipino ng Pilipinas, ang ating napaka-high value and sought after, highly in demand, high value agarwood ng Pilipinas. Sir, agree ba kayo sa Agri?
Agree sa Agri.
Bro. Don't forget to like and subscribe.